Oh, hello there, darling. Imagine a place where ancient temples stand in the shadow of gleaming skyscrapers, where the scent of five spice mingles with the hum of innovation. This is China, a land of breathtaking contrasts and boundless energy. Many see China as a business destination, but it's also a treasure chest of adventure. Why choose between work and wonder? Here you can have both. One day you're negotiating over jasmine tea, the next you're wandering a bustling market or relaxing in a tranquil garden. Combining business with leisure isn't an indulgence. It's the best way to understand the heart of the country and its people. So pack your business acumen and your sense of adventure. Let's dive in. The dragon awaits, full of surprises. Now let's get down to business and dive into the heart of what makes China the world's manufacturing powerhouse. With a bit of flair, because exploring these cities is as much about the culture and energy as it is about the factories. China isn't just one giant factory, it's a vast network of specialist hubs, each city and region with its own unique expertise, history and industrial strengths. From electronics to textiles, toys to furniture, every corner of China has something different to offer. The Pearl River Delta, home to cities like Shenzhen, Guangzhou and Foshan, is the engine room of industry, buzzing with innovation and non-stop production. Here you'll find the world's leading electronics manufacturers, cutting-edge tech startups, and a supply chain that never sleeps. The Yangtze River Delta, think Shanghai, Yiwu and beyond, offers everything from high finance and global trade to endless markets filled with small commodities. It's a place where business deals are made over coffee and you can source anything from luxury goods to everyday essentials. Knowing which city does what best turns your sourcing trip into a targeted mission, saving you time, money and a lot of guesswork. It's about working smarter, not harder. Entire cities specialize in one product, making supply chains efficient and innovation constant. Whether it's shoes in Wenzhou or furniture in Foshan, these hubs thrive on focus and expertise. It's like visiting Paris for fashion or Switzerland for watches, but on a mind-boggling scale. Imagine entire districts dedicated to a single industry, where trends are set and the world comes to shop. Before you book your flight, do your homework. Research which cities align with your business goals, and plan your route to maximize your time and opportunities. Gadgets, fabrics, furniture, each quest leads to a different city. The more you know, the more successful your sourcing adventure will be. In the next sections, we'll explore these manufacturing meccas in detail, uncovering what makes each one unique and how you can make the most of your time there, whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro. Get ready to pull back the curtain on China's incredible cities. Your adventure starts now, and the possibilities are as vast as the country itself. Our first stop is Shenzhen, a city that has undergone one of the most dramatic transformations in modern history. Once a humble fishing village nestled on the southern coast of China, Shenzhen has rapidly evolved into a sprawling metropolis, now recognized as a global tech capital. In just a few decades, its skyline has exploded with futuristic skyscrapers, each one a symbol of ambition and innovation. The city pulses with energy, day and night, as new ideas take shape and technology advances at lightning speed. If it beeps or lights up, chances are it was born right here. Shenzhen is the beating heart of the world's electronics industry, where gadgets are imagined, designed and assembled before making their way across the globe. The Huaqiangbei market is a legendary labyrinth of electronics, an endless maze where you'll find finished products, rare parts and prototypes all under one roof. It's a place where inventors and dreamers come to turn their ideas into reality. For business travelers and entrepreneurs, it's a paradise of possibilities and innovation. Deals are struck, partnerships are formed, and the next big thing could be just around the corner. But Shenzhen isn't all about work and technology. Take a break and explore OCT Loft's vibrant art galleries, where creativity flourishes, or relax in one of the city's cozy cafes, surrounded by artists and innovators. For a touch of whimsy, visit the quirky window of the World Theme Park, where you can travel the globe in an afternoon, marveling at miniature monuments from every continent. As night falls, the city transforms yet again. The skyline dazzles with neon lights and vibrant colors, best enjoyed from a rooftop bar where you can sip a drink and watch the city come alive beneath you. The food scene is just as dynamic as the city itself. From traditional dim sum to innovative global cuisine, Shenzhen's restaurants offer a feast for every palate, reflecting the city's diverse and international spirit. In Shenzhen, you're always a step into the future, where business, creativity and culture collide in unexpected ways. It's a place where tomorrow is being built today. This is a city of tomorrow, a living showcase of what's possible, and an essential stop on your China adventure. Let's keep moving forward and see what else awaits. Next, hop to Guangzhou, the heart of China's fashion and textile industry. From the vast textile city to Baima Market, you'll find every fabric and garment imaginable. It's a designer's dream and a hub of energy and opportunity. Nearby Foshan is the kingdom of furniture and ceramics, with the sprawling Lekong furniture market offering every style under the sun. Between sourcing, treat yourself to Cantonese dim sum in Guangzhou and explore the ancestral temple in Foshan. Here, business and culture blend seamlessly. Whether you're building a clothing line or furnishing a hotel, these cities deliver inspiration and deals. Dive into the markets, savor the cuisine, and soak up the heritage. The adventure continues. Now up the coast to Zhejiang, home to Yiwu and Wenzhou. Yiwu's international trade city is the world's largest wholesale market for small commodities. If you can imagine it, you'll find it here. It's a goldmine for business, endless products, suppliers, and opportunities under one roof. Wenzhou, nearby, is famed for shoes, glasses, and lighters. Its entrepreneurial spirit is legendary. If you're in footwear or eyewear, Wenzhou is a must-visit. After a day of deals, escape to the scenic Yandang Mountains or enjoy Wenzhou-style seafood wontons. Here, commerce meets natural beauty and culinary delights. These cities prove that big ideas often come in small packages. Recharge, explore, and get ready for your next business adventure. Let's move on. Let's talk practicalities. China's high-speed rail network is sleek, fast, and connects major cities, often faster than flying. City metros are clean, efficient, and bilingual. Taxis are easy, but have your destination in Chinese. Ride-hailing apps like Didi are handy with a local payment method. China is nearly cashless. Set up Alipay or WeChat Pay before you go. Translation apps like Google Translate are lifesavers for menus and signs. The internet is behind the Great Firewall. Download a VPN before you leave to access global sites. With a train ticket, MetroCard, payment app, and VPN, you'll navigate China like a pro. Stay connected, stay savvy, and focus on your adventure. You're ready for anything. In China, business is about relationships. Guanxi is everything. Show respect and genuine interest. First impressions matter. Greet with a gentle handshake and slight bow, and always present your business card with 2 hands. Take a moment to read their card. Never stash it carelessly. Business dinners are key. Expect many courses and toasts with baijiu. Raise your glass slightly lower than your host's as a sign of respect. Try a bit of everything offered. It shows openness. Negotiations take time. Patience is valued over pressure. Never cause someone to lose face. Address issues privately and diplomatically. With humility and patience, you'll build trust and lasting partnerships. Master the art and you'll thrive. Don't miss China's culture and cuisine. It's your reward after a day of deals. Each region has its own flavors. Dim sum in Guangzhou, street food in Shenzhen, and night markets everywhere. Explore local food markets. See, smell, and taste the real China. At night, join locals for skewers, noodles, and snacks at bustling markets. Find peace in city parks, temples, or classical gardens. Perfect for a quiet break. Try haggling for souvenirs, enjoy a foot massage, or sing at a KTV bar with new friends. These moments turn a business trip into an adventure. Collect stories, savor the joy, and connect with the real China. These are the memories you'll cherish. So our journey through China's world of business and leisure comes to a close. But as we wrap up this adventure, remember that every ending is just the start of something new. The stories, sights, and sounds you've glimpsed are only a small taste of what awaits you. For you, this is just the beginning, a blank page ready to be filled with your own discoveries and experiences. Imagine stepping off the plane, feeling the energy of a new city, and knowing that every moment holds the promise of something unexpected. A trip to China is more than a transaction. It's a chance to build connections and discover a culture both ancient and modern. Whether you're here for business, adventure, or a bit of both, you'll find that every encounter can open doors to new friendships and opportunities. The magic is in blending work with travel. Each part enriches the other. You'll find inspiration in the balance, as business meetings turn into cultural exchanges, and sightseeing becomes a lesson in innovation and tradition. You'll return with more than products. You'll have stories, memories, and a new perspective. The souvenirs you bring home will remind you of the people you met and the moments that made you smile. Say yes to new experiences. Learn a few words of Mandarin and let curiosity lead you. Taste flavors you've never tried. Listen to stories you've never heard, and let yourself be changed by the journey. China rewards those who explore with an open mind. The more you embrace the unknown, the more you'll discover about the world and about yourself. Go, see the factories and the temples, eat the street food, talk to the people. Each experience will add a new layer to your understanding, making your journey truly unforgettable. Let China surprise, charm, and inspire you. The memories you create here will last a lifetime, and the lessons you learn will shape your future adventures. Your grand adventure awaits, and it will be absolutely fabulous. So pack your bags, open your heart, and get ready to discover the treasures that only China can offer.